Hey guys, come couponing with me at Walgreens this week using only your phone. There's so many digital coupon deals that we can do. I'm also gonna show you 3 scenarios for this digital booster that I believe everybody got. So let me know in the comments. For spend 15, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. All you need is your phone. There's also a ton of Ibotta rebate deals. So that's my main focus, is just getting as many Ibotta deals as possible. And of course, stocking up on products that we actually need, because I'm trying to complete my big bonus for an additional $10 back this month. I'm 50% of the way through, and it's 50% of the way through the month, so I'm definitely gonna be completing that, and I'm so excited. So today, I'm gonna be grabbing another 5 rebates to track towards that bonus. It's also gonna track towards my midweek bonus, which is amazing. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown, as well as the link to all the different rebate apps and stuff that I use. So if you're new to Ibotta, it's my absolute favorite cashback app where you can transfer the cash right to your bank account. Like, it's real cashback, it's not gift cards. So if you're new, use code QMEHSBF. When you submit your first receipt, you're gonna get a $5 bonus on top of the cashback you're getting. So that's gonna make your haul even better. I'm also gonna show you how you can use Walgreens cash at checkout, even though we're using the digital spend booster. The main objection is to make sure that we are objective, not objection. The main objective is to make sure that we are lowering our out-of-pocket cost. So I'm gonna be using Walgreens cash, and fingers crossed, the digital coupons work this week. Fingers crossed the register rewards and everything print and we don't have any issues. So I'll let you guys know at the end how it goes. So let's head in store and grab these deals. We're gonna start off again with a moneymaker deal. So this is gonna be the first scenario that you can do using the digital spend booster. For spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. What we're gonna do is the Garnier Fructis deal. CVS was sold out of the one that was included, but Walgreens has a bunch more products included in their promotion, which is amazing. So they're $3.99. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.98. Get back a $3 register reward, then submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back on 2. Makes them both free and a $1.02 moneymaker. I actually really like this glossing spray. I usually use it when I straighten my hair. I just do like 2 little spritzes and it adds a really nice shine. Next, we have quite a few different deodorant deals that all have Ibotta rebates, so you can pick and choose whichever one works best for you. The first option is on Secret. So Secret Clinical is part of a promotion for buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward for Secret, Old Spice, and Gillette. So the 3 deals I'm gonna show you are all part of the same promotion. So if you wanna do all of them, they have to be in separate transactions to get the register reward each time. So grabbing 2 of these will be $14.98. There's a $4 off 2 digital coupon. You're gonna pay $10.98, earn back a $3 register reward, plus submit to Ibotta for a $1 cash back each. Makes your final cost $5.98 for 2 or $2.99 a piece. Definitely not a bad deal for clinical deodorant. The next option is on Gillette. This one does have a higher out-of-pocket cost. So they're buy 1, get 1 half off. So you would grab 2 of these here. That'll bring you to $13.18. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You would pay $12.18, get back a $3 register reward, then submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Gives you $4 cash back. Makes your final cost $5.18 for both, or like $2.59 a piece. So here's an example of the first option that you can do for the digital booster for spend 15, get a $5 in Walgreens cash. So total for all of this is $22.96. I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash. New total is $17.96. We're still over 15, so I'll get back the Walgreens cash for the booster. Then the manufacturer coupons come off. We have $7 worth. I'll pay just $10.96 out of pocket. Earn back a $3 register reward, $3 register reward, plus $5 in Walgreens cash. Then I'm submitting to Ibotta and getting $5 cash back as well. So your final net cost on this transaction is free and about a 3-cent moneymaker. Now let's do some more scenarios. I have a second one that I'm gonna do. The third way that you can do this deal, again, have to be in separate transactions. It's gonna be on the Old Spice Total Body. This is what my husband uses. So I'm gonna use this in a second transaction using the digital booster on my mom's account. Same thing, spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. Plus there is a 7 off 2 digital coupon for this one. So you'll pay $13.98, get back a $3 register reward, then submit over to Ibotta as well for a $1 cash back each. Makes your final cost for these $8.98 for 2 or $4.49 a piece. 2 other sales that required no coupons, but in my opinion are really great deals, are on these Walgreens bags. Now for usually my trash cans, I'll use just like leftover Walgreens bags that we get when we check out. But for my son's room, we have a bigger trash can for all of his diapers and stuff. We use it like a diaper pail, and these work perfectly. For $1.99, that's not a bad deal. It's just trash bags anyway, so it's something that you can definitely stock up on. Next, I'm 100% stocking up on these storage bags. I've never seen them seriously for 88 cents. Usually they're buy one, get 2 free, which makes them 93 cents a piece. They're freaking 88 cents. That is such an amazing deal. They're such good quality. So I'm gonna stock up because I think I'm pretty much out of all the different sizes. Next, I was not able to do these deals last week because all the digital coupons weren't working, so fingers crossed they come off at checkout. I'm gonna grab the Scott product deals. I'm gonna do one of the paper towel for $5. We have a $1.25 unlimited use coupon. That's a store coupon that works on this Scott and that Scott, so that's the next deal I'm gonna grab. Plus we have a $1 manufacturer digital coupon, so that'll make this one $2.75. I'm gonna do the same thing, it's the same math with the Scott toilet paper. That $1.25 will come off of this one as well. I'm doing them both in the same transaction. Then there's a separate $1 manufacturer digital. Again, you'll pay $2.75, which is an amazing stock up price for paper products. So this is gonna be my next transaction using the digital booster for spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Everybody should have that. Let me know in the comments if you got it or not. Total for all these products is $30.98. But then we have some store coupons, $1.25 on each of these. Now my new total is $28.48, still well over 15, so we're good to go. Now I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash, another store discount. New total, $18.48, still over the 15, so we'll get back the Walgreens cash from the digital booster. Then we have $9 worth of digital manufacturer coupons. I'll pay just $9.48 plus taxes out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash, and $2 cash back from Ibotta on the Old Spice. That makes my final net cost $9.48 for all 4 products, which I think is a really good deal. Here's another option you can do with that spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Like I tell my members in my holiday savings club, you wanna make sure that you're catering the deals to things that you actually need. So if you need toilet paper and paper products, this is the perfect scenario for you. What you're gonna do is grab 4 packs, 2 of these, and 2 of these, okay? That's gonna bring you to $20. Now, we have this $1.25 unlimited use coupon. That is a store digital coupon. Plus, we have these 2 $1 off 1 digital coupons, $1 for this and $1 for the paper towel. So total for all these is $20, but you have $5 worth of store discount with that digital coupon. That's why you need to grab 4 of them. Now your new total is $15. We're right on the money. We'll get back the $5 in Walgreens cash. We also have the $2 in manufacturer digital coupons. So you're gonna pay $13 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, makes your final net cost $8 for 4 packs or $2 a pack. Okay, we are back in from Walgreens. Half of it went well, half of it did not. All the digital coupons came off, so hallelujah for that. However, not a single register reward printed for me. I was like, is the register reward machine on? Like, it's not even making any noises. She's like, yeah, it's been printing. And I was like, that's weird. I'm like, there's no way. I'm like, should we switch to another register? Like, I don't know. No. So the issue that caused is because I was gonna roll my rewards and use the $3 register reward from my first transaction into my second. I could no longer do that. I was already using Walgreens cash, but because of the increments, my out-of-pocket wound up being $3 higher today than it was supposed to be. So that's a bummer. If it was any more than that, I was just gonna avoid everything and like not even deal with it. But at least all the digital coupons came off. The manager came over and she wound up giving me the $9 in Walgreens cash, 3 for each of the $3 register rewards. That did not print for me. So let's go over the transactions. I think this was first. Honestly, I don't remember which one was first and second, so let's do it. I did 2 of the scenarios that I showed you guys. So I did the Old Spice and then I did the Scott products on this one. Digital coupons all came off. Used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $11.65 out of pocket. Then I earned back the $5 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. Plus I submitted over to Ibotta and got $2 cash back on the Old Spice. And my next transaction, I did the Secret and the Garnier Fructis. Here's the two digital coupons coming off. I was gonna use the $3 register reward, but of course I could not. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $12.57, it should have been $9.57. Got back the $5.17 in Walgreens cash. Then I submitted to Ibotta and got $5 cash back for the Garnier and for the Secret. Then she did give me back $6 in Walgreens cash in place of the register reward that did not print. So thankful that she did that, so I didn't have to worry about like trying to contact the Catalina machine and fight with customer service, because that is a nightmare, let me tell you. Let's head home now. We're gonna enter in all this information in our digital budget spreadsheet so we can see how much we saved, what our final cash cost is, and what our net cost is, and see how good we did. Okay, so let's put this into the digital budget spreadsheet. So first thing we're gonna do is put the date. And watch how this literally takes me probably 2 minutes. It would take me less time if I wasn't explaining it, obviously, but it's a very quick step that will absolutely change the game when it comes to saving money, because you'll be able to easily see exactly how much you're saving. So the first transaction, retail value was $30.98. So that's all the sale prices, okay? Out-of-pocket cost was $11.65. Rewards I used at checkout was just $10. I didn't use any gift cards. Cashback on this one was $2 for the Old Spice, and then rewards I earned back on this one was $3 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash, so $8. The next transaction, retail, was $22.96. My out-of-pocket on this one was $12.57. Rewards I used was just a $5 in Walgreens cash. Total cash back on this one was $5, $3 for the Garnier and $2 for the Secret. And then rewards I earned back on this one was $3, $6, and $5 is $11. So now it's gonna show me the total average percentage that I've saved across the entire month of couponing. Plus, we're halfway through, it's September 15th, and I've saved $446.82. So if this stays on track, we are set to hit my biggest month of saving, which is so exciting. The other thing that you wanna check is this table over here. So it says that I have $48.26 left that I can spend out of pocket for the entire month to make sure that I don't go over budget. So that's really important. If you guys are in my holiday savings club, this digital budget spreadsheet is included for you. There's also the monthly budget planner tab. If you're not part of my club, I linked it below for you guys if you wanna grab it. If you have any questions as well, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Hopefully you get some amazing deals. Definitely make sure that you take advantage of that booster. It's an easy $5 in Walgreens cash, and like I showed you, there's so many different scenarios you can do for a low out-of-pocket. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.